Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to discuss another gland of endocrine system which is known as pineal gland. Pineal gland is a pea-shaped gland which is present in the brain. The pineal gland, also known as third eye, epiphysis cerebri, cornerium, pineal organ or pineal body. The pineal gland named as pineal due to its pine cone shape. Pineal gland secrete the hormone melatonin, and the melatonin plays significant role in body internal clock. Pineal gland regulate sleep pattern. Which is known as circadian rhythm. When we see the anatomy of pineal gland, the pineal gland is present in the epithalamus The pineal gland is present in the epithalamus. Between two hemispheres, and the gland develop from diencephalon, which is part of the brain, and it is part of forebrain. And the pineal gland is located behind the third ventricle. And it is bathed in cerebrospinal fluid. Here is the optic chiasma, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and this is pineal gland. Now, what is the histology of pineal gland? The pineal gland contains two types of cell. One is known as pinealocytes, and the other type cell is known as glial cells. The pinealocytes produce hormone melatonin, and the glial cell supports brain cell. And it's help neuron and transmit information to other cells through neurons. Unlike the other endocrine gland, the pineal gland is not separated by other body. by blood-brain barrier. The pineal gland receives much high blood supply. The French scientist René Descartes states that the soul was located in pineal gland. Thank you so much viewers and Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.